How to sign in into Trello account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in Trello login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website, Trello.com. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your Trello account. All you have to do is provide the credentials of your account. You can log in using these options: Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack, only in the case you have used these options to create your account. Or also you can directly enter your email address. For this video, I'm going to directly enter my email address. Once you type in, click on continue. Now type in the password. Once you fill this, click on login, and just with that, you'll be logged into your Trello account. In the case you have any issues logging into your account, click on this option. With that, your problem will be resolved. Well, this way you can easily sign in into Trello account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.